At 2:17 a.m., Daniel got a call from his sister who died 3 years ago. And she said, if you want to live, go to Route 66 now. Welcome to the Beyond the Tone story, the last call from Route 66. It was 2:17 a.m. when Daniel Carter's phone rang. Unknown number. He almost ignored it, but something felt strange. The phone kept ringing. Finally, he answered. Hello? Slight pause. Silence. Then a whisper. Daniel, don't hang up. His heart stopped. That voice, it sounded exactly like his sister Emily. But Emily had died 3 years ago. Car accident sound effect, very light. This isn't funny, Daniel said nervously. Who is this? The voice came back, weak, broken. You don't have much time. Daniel's hands started shaking. Emily, he whispered, go to Route 66, mile marker 317 before sunrise. Call cut sound. The call ended. Daniel stared at his phone. No number, no call history, nothing. It was like the call never happened. Slow background tension builds. His mind said, it's a prank, but his heart said something else. At 3:05 a.m., Daniel grabbed his keys and left. The road was empty, dark, silent. Route 66 stretched endlessly ahead. Every mile felt heavier. 317, 316, he slowed down. Nothing. Just desert and cold wind, he sighed. I came all this way for nothing. But suddenly, hard glitch sound. His headlights flickered. Once, twice, then total darkness. The car stopped, dead. Daniel stepped out slowly. The air felt freezing, too quiet. Then he saw it, a faint light in the distance. Someone standing there, holding something glowing. Hello? He called. No answer. He walked closer, step by step, his heart pounding. Then the figure moved. It was a girl, long hair, white dress, standing still, facing away. Emily, he whispered. Slow, dramatic pause. The figure turned. It was her, same face, same eyes, but something felt wrong. Her eyes looked empty. Daniel, she said softly. Tears filled his eyes. How are you here? She didn't answer. Instead, she pointed behind him. Don't go back to your car. Her voice changed, urgent now. Just don't. Suddenly, a loud engine sound, fast, very fast. Daniel turned, bright headlights rushed toward his car. Within seconds, crash sound. A massive truck slammed into it. The car was crushed instantly. Glass shattered, metal twisted, silence. Daniel stood frozen. If he was inside, he would be dead. Slowly, he turned back. Emily was fading. No, wait, he shouted. Why did you save me? She smiled softly. For once, I protected you. Tears rolled down his face. I miss you. Her voice became a whisper. I never left. And then, she disappeared. Sad emotional music. The desert was empty again. Only the wreck of his car remained. An hour later, police arrived. They said something strange. The truck driver claimed he saw someone standing on the road and tried to avoid her. But when he looked again, no one was there. Daniel never told anyone what really happened, but every year, on the same night, at exactly 2:17 a.m., his phone rings, unknown number, and every time he answers, whisper effect, I'm still here. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked my story, please like the video, comment on the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.